All right, good morning, everybody. This is Andrew. I am really sorry for trading the open. Unfortunately, yeah, I just couldn't wake up on time. So I missed the open. I couldn't trade at the open. Again, my apologies. But I did got a really great short on Tesla. I came to the chat room and see what's going on, and I saw that the Tesla is again running up another 10% or something, up to almost $1,100 per share. But by the time that I noticed, it was really a big breakdown from the highs. Really sold off at around 1085, and I decided to take the trade to the short with a stop loss just above this moving averages. So a really nice breakdown and a pullback to VWAP. I wasn't really expecting it to lose the VWAP as well, but I added more on the VWAP, sold off all the way down here, and I actually held it all the way up to 1030. And I really was hoping that I can get to the previous day close. It still is struggling near the previous day close. I added one more time, sorry, I think I'm getting COVID, Delta variant. So that was the first ad. So that was my first short. That was the first ad. I wrote that, and then I added another one at 1045, and then I added one more time here that this ad really didn't work out. It bounced back, and I got it stopped out. Yeah, almost the break even. My break even point was here, and then I tried to go short again, and this was the mistake that I really shouldn't have shorted again. This is the area that you really getting really bouncy from here. And in a 5-minute chart we had two big squeeze on these ones, so it might go red for the day, the king of level previous day close, but it seems that really struggling, and the longer that it stays here, it just becomes more dangerous. The time of the day is something that I don't want to mess around with it, so I just quickly got out of it. But I had a really nice run on it from 1075 all the way up to 1040, and I had a really decent profit on that. So from the rest, I had some short TQQ I think by mistake that I covered this morning. It was just a stupid short that I don't know why I got short on some TQQ here. I think it's because it's just dropped. I covered it here, but it's just dropped. I think it was because of the buy rights the Ardi wrote. They kind of double got filled, and I got short TQQ. But anyways, I covered this one, and SPXL and TNA, I had some that I covered, and yeah, overall turned out to be a really nice day. Obviously, part of it are just and part of it is the SPXL and TNA, the leverage ETFs for SPY and IWM they're having. So because I have these two covered calls, these 4,500 shares, these are contracts. So this would be 9,000 shares would be called, half of it would be called at 96, the other one half would be at 98. Which is okay. It means that even if I'm losing on these ones, I'm eventually making money at the end. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. Sorry about missing the plan. Today I have a presentation about 5-minute opening range breakup. Looking forward to see that. So I'm going to talk about all of these criteria that I have for a 5-minute opening range breakup. Our trading tool, the replay. Take a look at it and see what you think. Yeah, looking forward to that, guys. I hope that see what if Tesla really went to red or not. Yeah, it's really struggling, and this is the area that you really don't want to mess around with it, because it's just probably chops you up and down. That's why I got out of it. All right, guys, have a good day. Sorry again, and see you all into the chat room tonight, in the webinar tonight. If not, tomorrow morning in this session.